Hello, little baby. I see you outside, darling. I see you, baby. Hello. Hello, baby. Hello, darling. Nom nom nom. It's a good kid. It's all right. It's a good girl, baby. Yay. Hello. I've got some chicken right here, but I want to fill her up a bit on processed food first so she doesn't eat all the chicken. We have to be a little wily, don't we? Yeah, baby, we've got to be a bit wily with our chicken. You did a good girl. Hello. The pretty girl, good girl. You come inside, that's right. You've got to get used to this, baby. No more of this wild cat stuff. What do you think of that idea? Do you think being domesticated isn't too bad? At least you don't go hungry, darling. You was a good girl. All right, I'll let you enjoy that, my love. And when she's had that, I'll give her some chicken. She's a good girl. All right, we'll be back. Lots of love. Bye for now.